So I've gone and created a blank canvas here and I've pasted two photos which are completely identical to each other. Now they're both of low quality and we are going to try to enhance them. I'm going to enhance the one on the right, so let's begin. What you're simply going to do is you're going to select the image here on the right, then go to the top and select Edit. After selecting Edit, you're going to select Adjust. Scroll down. Now where the heading says texture, you are going to adjust these options, so the sharpness, clarity, and vignette. Now notice what happens when I increase the sharpness by dragging it to the right. You'll notice that the image becomes sharper compared to the original one here on the left side. So if I zoom in, you can see the subtle difference where the sharpness is actually showing here compared to the original. Now, let's see what happens if I increase the clarity. You're going to increase the clarity by dragging it to the right. And as you can see here, this option here improves the clarity of the image here on the right side compared to the one on the left. Then vignette, it is your choice whether you want to add it or not. It's going to make the image more dramatic. If that's what you're looking for, then you can also add in some vignettes if you want to. Now, another way that you can enhance the quality of this image, you can go to apps here. And then go to search Canva apps and then type in image upscaler. Then select the first option. And then here where it says upscale resolution, you could either choose 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, and then 16 times. I'm going to choose 8 times. And I'm only going to select the image and not the entire page. So once you're done, you go to the bottom and select upscale. Then you just have to wait a few seconds. Now, after it's done, it's going to show you something which says before and after. So this is what the image looks like before. I mean, it is a lot more clearer compared to the picture on the left side, but we needed more clarity for this image. And what this has done is it has enhanced the image for us using AI. So if I drag it to the left side here, you can see that it is more clearer and the image is of high quality now. So if I go to replace, you'll notice that the image is a lot clearer compared to the one on the left. And there you go.